Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Evoworks Evo80. It's a tri-mode aluminum TKL keyboard featuring a ball catch mechanism for the case and magnetic connectors for easy disassembly. In my opinion, it's one of the best pre-built options out there. The Evo80 will be available in 10 colorways with 2 plate and switch configurations, all for $170. Here I have the Sand Gold variant with the Azure linear switches and FR4 plate. Included in the carrying case is the user manual and warranty card for the keyboard, a braided Type A to Type C cable, a switch and keycap puller, a few extra spare gaskets, the 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle, 3 extra switches, and the Evo80 keyboard, which weighs around 1.8 kilograms or 4.1 pounds due to the aluminum case. So the keyboard has a 10 keyless layout with the RGB light bar above the arrow keys, the power on-off switch hidden under the caps lock key here, and the slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle inside the case here. The keyboard also comes with matching keycaps that are cherry profile die-sub PBT, and they are 1.5mm in thickness. It also comes with Azure linear switches which are pre-looped and have a poppy sound signature, plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-looped as well, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB. The FR4 plate is gasket mounted with butterfly leaf springs, and it's quite bouncy, especially on the alphas. This is great for typing and gaming because of the softer feel. And if you're interested, I do cover the plate and PCB more in the teardown. The side profile looks like this with a 7-degree typing angle and this really nice curved and beveled design. The front is clean with no logos whatsoever, and it's around 17mm tall. The back has this two-tone color and the Type-C connection port in the middle. On the bottom, there is 4 rubber feet, a two-tone golden ratio weight in the middle, and a raised Evo logo here. As for the lighting, the keyboard has per key RGB and it looks pretty good with the switches. There is over 20 RGB effects preloaded here, and that is more than enough in my opinion. The small RGB light bar here comes with a few effects too if you're wondering, and here I'm just cycling in between them. For the customizability, the keyboard supports VIA, so you can remap all of the layers and keys on the keyboard, switch between a few supported layouts, add in macros or create new ones here, save and load different layouts for the keyboard, and adjust the speed, brightness, effects, and color of the per key RGB and light bar as well. Moving on to the case and components inside, the case uses the ball catch structure and the PCB is connected with magnetic pins. This allows the case to be disassembled easily without the use of screws. So here is the top case. It has the RGB light bar here, the cutout for the 2.4 GHz USB dongle, and the balls that hold the keyboard case together. In the bottom case, there's 2 pieces of Poron case foam to dampen the sound, the magnetic pins for the daughterboard, these black rubber pieces for the force brake mods, the butterfly leaf spring mounts where the gaskets sit on, and the catchers for the ball catch structure, and they hook the balls in place like this. There's also other components that are hidden in the weight, and you access them by removing the 5 screws here. So over here, you have the 2 batteries which are 8000 mAh in total, and the magnetic pins connecting to the daughterboard and Type-C port in the middle. Moving on to the plate and PCB, the PCB is 5-pin hot swap and it has flex cuts at the alphas, making it flexible. On the front, you can see the power on-off switch here and the light bar LEDs with the Evoworks logo above the arrow keys. On the back, there's the KL hot swap sockets and the magnetic connector pins in the middle. The plate is FR4 and it comes with flex cuts too. It flexes quite a lot even with the switches and keycaps installed. On the sides are these rubber sleeves, and this is how the plate is gasket mounted onto the butterfly leaf springs. As for the foam and mods included, there's a PET insulation sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a pre-cut Poron plate foam. They all go on the PCB and is sandwiched together with the plate and is mounted on the sides like this. The combination of the flex cuts, foam, and butterfly leaf springs are what make this keyboard sound and feel awesome. Alright, that was everything about the keyboard. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the Evoworks Evo80. For $170, I genuinely think this is the best pre-built TKL keyboard you can get. The clean and impressive design paired with the ball catch mechanism and magnetic connectors really sets it apart from other keyboards. On top of that, the butterfly leaf springs combined with the plate and PCB deliver an exceptional typing sound and feel. Not only that, the huge 8000 mAh battery offers plenty of use time, and with VIA support, you can fully customize the keyboard to suit your preferences. So if you're interested in the Evoworks Evo80, it will be linked in the description below for you. And that does it for this video. Thanks to Evoworks for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.